Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a delicious and nutritious way to boost your day, then you're in the right place. Today, we are diving into the benefits of the Horlicks Health and Nutrition Drink Refill Pack in chocolate flavor. Horlicks has been a household name for years, known for its nutritious blends that are perfect for everyone in the family. This chocolate flavor is no exception. First up, Horlicks is packed with 23 vital nutrients. This includes a mix of vitamins and minerals that are essential for overall growth and development. Whether you're young or old, these nutrients help in maintaining a healthy body. It's a great choice for kids, teens, and adults alike. The right balance of nutrients supports bone health, muscle function, and keeps you active throughout the day. Next, let's talk about immunity. Horlicks is enriched with vitamins like C, D, and E, along with zinc, which are known to boost your immune system. A strong immunity is crucial, especially in today's world. Mixing this chocolate-flavored Horlicks in milk not only makes it tasty but also turns your drink into a powerhouse of health benefits. Another fantastic benefit is how it supports brain function. With nutrients like iron, iodine, and folic acid, this drink can help improve concentration and mental alertness, perfect for those long study sessions or busy work days. Of course, we can't forget the taste. This chocolate flavor is rich, smooth, and loved by both kids and adults. It's a treat that's good for you too, whether you're starting your day or need a pick-me-up in the afternoon. Horlicks is a delicious way to get that extra nutrition. So there you have it. Horlicks Health and Nutrition Drink Refill Pack in chocolate flavor is more than just a tasty beverage. It's a smart choice for boosting your nutrition every day. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and nutrition tips. Have you tried Horlicks? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, stay happy, and see you in the next video.